Hambre pi pelok borok baju baik ikan ikan video jangan mentang pen EP ki post ki beramat mai biang apo DSC West Kasihil hakis ngi beradab kita pelanggan apply ki post DSC po West Kasihil dari mentah kita don bank ki post ki bedang apply mai napo jongka office DSC West Kasihil handai nam ta kita bakwa ban apply online ki post handai apo jongka MPSC website kem kempat pelaj handai indak kila pelaj ya ka website pila ban apply na po jongka online pihak bala ban lagi po cyber ani pila ban apply dengan pun jong pir kumju lada pila don ya account jongka DSC handai nak dia nam ta jongka application kimpat ong handai ya ka last date jongka application non submit kira depan pen I ba hakash putri jonggu berai me handai ya sa katuk nei por sa pelaj pi ya ki application form bapin yo ban apply pintu hapan page na po nam ta MPSC website lane dala penmi yaka notification nam ta ban register online sa pelaj ki video nam ta jong pi bkhana ma pineh te blang baro aligam pelang ta ya ki nei ki khubar harum Government of Miklia Office of the Deputy Commissioner West Kasihil District Nostoin date Nostoin the 4th April 2025 ka nika application na nika notice advertisement kira ada pelaj na duka 1 tarik jonggu bana April mentau banai the district section committee West Kasihil District Nostoin invite application form from genuine citizen of India preference will be given to local candidate residing permanent in West Kasihil district vacancies who are desirous apply after term the condition of advertisement filling of the following vacancies. Candidate should be instructed carefully before making entries or selection option. Candidate should be furnished correct detail while filling up the online application form. Mandatory field mark with asterisks signs interest. Candidate are requested to visit all our website westkasihilgovernment.in kane ka district session commission jongka West Kasihil ka code application namta ki genuine citizen jongka India preference will be given to local candidate residing permanently in West Kasihil district in which vacancies occur kane ka bodba kin kham ai bha ya kitu ki bade local nampo jongka West Kasihil district nota ki candidate kiba don interest Spang jong kini ki video pada pikwa ban apply pihaban pulih bahaya ki information kan kumbala pedi na hang ne po jong ka advertisement haswa ba pin ndap ki form jong pi online application form ki jong pi lada ki jeng tip ki ba khamnia ani pikwa ban apply pihaban visit po jong ka official website jong ka DSC West Kasihil government.in Pilam visit the website and dakila pelaj ki application form jongki mapin apply. Online application will be received up to 5 p.m. on 10 May 2025 and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Nota kalas date ban apply ya kenika ki form kede hau spotrik jongu banai me arda pesan kapor kan kuda kabdo kapor san PM jan med. Nota kam simshu kino ki application ki bawan submit hadin jong katai katarik pat katai berakut katai kapor tenta tab tu ki bakwa ban apply mata ki kempat pelaj ki website bapin ban apply hadin katukan nipor ken sa apply ki website tenta jong pi bapin apply ya ki vacancy alingan page mentai ki post ki balaj bade ki total vacancy bade pay level skills mentai ki education qualification tanam taki ka pay level kali ka pay level 1 ka pay level 1 ka jeng save ka dei ka pay level 1 jong ka jeng save ka dei po jong ka khanyo hajar si banai ka starting tan page post ka number 1 adai ka grade 4 Chukidar kila jadu nyutili pos kalasi kila dang artili pos pion kila adu kandai tili nataki pion kom chukidar lajang iwe but plantation kom chukidar lajang iwe ta proses servar lajang iwe katotal bro nyuki vakansi kalau hadu arpwe Bat ka educational qualification jung phi kadang kam yaki class 6 pass. Bat ka post ka baar kadai ka assistant tractor operator. Ka total vacancy ka latang iway ka latang hi UR panamta ki pay level kadai ka ju hi mene ka parang phi ba kadai ka level 1 ka jung save kalong khan nyo hajar ka level jung ka level 1. Bat ka qualification kan kami ki bala pass ka class 6 bat iki dan kami ki beriu ki beng yaki driving license jung phi ka kalong ki heavy lan ki four wheel lo kalong kumju. Person must have 3 or more year experience in repairing and operating power tiller, tractor, bulldozer, power pump and other allied agricultural machine. Nanta ki dan kam ru yaki ki driver ki bala nang hi ban repair baritu ki bala don experience license ban yaki kali mat banang ru ban repair yaki dengan kam jong ki kali. Taki post ka ba lai kedai assistant power tiller operator kila jadu lai teli ki post kedai taki kasi jentia bat ki garu bat ka level 1 oka pay level kedai level 1 bat ka qualification kedai ki bala pass ya kelas 6 bat ki ha bandon yaki driving license ki jong ki bat kum juru ki de bandang ane ki dei ban don experience do license jong kajing nya jong phi ki kali bat kum juru ki de bandang ban repair bat ban sna yaki don kam jong ki kali. Tanda penta ki kandidat ki bakwa ban apply kini ki de ban biang bhai ki education qualification ki jong ki dokumen bikin submit apo jong application. Ki ban biang bhai ki dokumen jong phi kapor phi submit yo ba ki invalid. Tanta take exam kan ru ka qualifying paper on knowledge of local language ru jongka khasi ka age limit ane ka snam pin apply kane kadai iki bakat plus name seneng adu kalai puar po jongka sitere ubnai badingkong arja pesan upper age limit relaxable 5 year over age limit in case of ST candidate entah ki ST but SC candidate naka lai puar plus sasan nanta kalong lai pu news nam pantaka payment application pay the fees of RS 100 bantaki OBC kiwe QR kedai sispa kawe ka post bantaki ST SC shall try shall case kedai san poding ka kawe ka post pila ban tab kato kanu terliru ki post kar kaji kwa jong phi la pila tab alter terliru kalong kat kum kajing kwa jong phi kalum kamon jong phi tem ta kajing seo jong phi yaki post kapisa kan pelaman seo na po jong ka internet banking na po SBI pana kiwe ki bank kunjur po payment via debit com ATM card na po jong ka net banking ru kunjur ka instruction jong ki candidate kiba kwa ban apply. Candidate are required to register themselves with District Selection Commission DSC through the website HCB Megara segment NIC in RPA instruction HTM using valid ID and the email ID will also be used beneficial corresponding CSC. Tanam tak itu ki candidate kibam pat register ka DSC kila ban register po jongka website DSC lane MPSC kila ban register online papan kam dam tajong na kalian jongki email pat na po jongki email ID jongpi bapin login berkenal password apa kapor bapi sina ya kita iki account DSC jongpi namar ka account jongpi sen bapila sina ka long permanen subha save bhai password jongpi berkenal bhai email jongpi kapor bapi ai password ber email jongpi namar apa pi apply online pihak nyon kamban login na po jongka account ke jongpi. Namta kabar unique application code will be generated to each of the post apply. This application code should be used for all correspondent. Itu ada bank patai mana tu aneng tak kebalai the candidate has to upload recent color passport size photograph GPG background along with signature below illustrated photo digital size field must be less 50 KB. Namta candidate mantaka door passport bagi haban supir nang tepo jongka DSC account ke jongpi haban submit dakaba kham sai bat da ka background ka ba rong le bat kum juro ya usik ni jong phi hapo jongka photograph ka jong phi hapo jongka dur passport ka jong phi kan mau baka size ka depan don hapo jongka sanpho ki bi requested for change correction application. The application shall be not be entertained after submitting of the application under any circumstance. The DSC West Hill will not responsibility for any consequence arising. Tenta haba pi submit yaki application jung pi depan page ba hachwa be pin submit the mari lesi kadan kanu kajing bakala pi poi sha kajing donong ala de namar ka DSC kam kit kli yaki jing bakala ki jung pi yaka form. No application will be received after due date. Incomplete application likely to be reject. Tentang itu ki breu ki bawan submit di application jung ki hapo jangka last date hapo jangka date ka balakut kim shimshu ekinu ki candidate kin haban reject. Nang tabaro ki candidate ki haban appear jaka examination test bagi interview tempat kum juro candidate ki bahasa select ka jaka ban tray ki jongki kala ban long tang hapo jongka wes sihel kala kalong ha kandu ka jaka bapio ban tray candidate ki bakwa ban tebe ki bun ki jing don kam ki man visit ka official website http://government.in mang saburo yaki website jongka official berkum juro yang ka MPSC po jongka link ber description jonga berkum juro pin page yak ka link Jika mau adom kret dan subscribe mat share lang berlike jika ni channel jonga mat kum juru share lang ki parlok jong phi kana makin tip ki post ki balai bagi nakam nam taki parlok jong phi ki kam kulai sibun taki ni ki jeng